Let's be honest, in 2025, phone cases have gone way beyond just protection. They've become part of your outfit, your style, and your identity. But here's the problem. Most people in Nigeria still buy cheap cases that look good for 1 week and start breaking by week 2. Or worse, they claim to protect your phone but can't even survive one minor drop. Today, we're fixing that. Let's talk about the best phone cases in 2025 that actually protect and still look good. And by the end of this video, I'll tell you where you can find the best ones right here in Nigeria from Gbemi Gadgets. Now, when you think of protection, the first thing that comes to mind is bulk. But this year, phone case manufacturers have finally cracked the balance between style and safety. You don't have to carry a phone that looks like it's inside a brick anymore. Take the latest iPhone 17 Pro, for example. It's sleek, it's beautiful, but also fragile. That titanium body isn't indestructible. What's trending now are MagSafe shockproof, transparent cases. They keep your phone's color visible, add a magnetic ring for wireless charging, and protect the corners during drops. You'll find them in crystal clear, smoke gray, and even glossy black variants. Then we have the hybrid silicone and leather combo cases. These are perfect for professionals who want something classy but functional. You'll see people in offices or corporate events rocking these. They give you grip, elegance, and a protective inner lining that prevents scratches on the glass back. And for people who just want aesthetics, matte gradient cases are still winning in 2025. The finish feels premium in your hand, doesn't leave fingerprints, and gives your device a clean, subtle look. Some even come with built-in camera protectors that slide open and close, especially popular for Samsung S24 and S24 Ultra users. Now, let's talk durability. If you're that person whose phone is always falling, you need shockproof armor cases. They come with double-layer protection, hard outer plastic with a soft silicone inside. They're a bit bulky, but can save your 1 million naira iPhone 17 or Samsung Ultra from serious screen damage. Another trend blowing up fast in Nigeria is customized cases. Everyone wants to stand out. We're seeing more people request photo-printed, name-engraved, or glow-in-the-dark cases. The demand is especially high among students and content creators who want their phones to reflect their personal brand. Let's not forget the ring holder and stand-style cases. Perfect for people who watch movies, YouTube, or TikToks. The ring gives you a better grip, especially when taking selfies or recording videos. Now, while looks matter, you should always check the quality before you buy. A genuine case should feel firm, flexible, and fit perfectly without forcing it. Avoid fake MagSafe rings. They can damage your phone's coil or make your wireless charging unstable. At Gbemi Gadgets, we only deal with verified quality cases, shockproof, magnetic, transparent, and even ultra-slim leather cases for iPhone, Samsung, Tecno, and Infinix models. So, whether you want classy or rugged, we've got you covered. You can walk into our store to order yours. We deliver fast across Nigeria, and every item comes with a quality check guarantee. Remember, a phone case isn't just for style, it's insurance for your device. Protect it properly, and it'll last much longer. So, if you want to keep your phone safe and stylish, come to Gbemi Gadgets, your best plug for authentic gadgets, cases, and accessories in Nigeria.